So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, we have here these 9 questions to answer on the topic electric field. So guys, this video will be about production of electric charges. So in short, stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, a negatively charged rod is held close to an uncharged metal ball on an insulating stand. The ball will A. Be negatively charged, B. Have an excess negative charges on the side nearest to the rod, C. Be positively charged, and D. Have an excess positive charges on the side nearest to the rod. So guys, in this we know that unlike charges will attract. So since the rod is negatively charged, the side with positive charge here will actually draw towards the rod. So in that case, the ball will have an excess positive charge on the side nearest to the rod. And that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 2 here. It says, a dry plastic comb used in combing hair was found to attract pieces of paper and dust. The most probable explanation for this phenomenon is that the comb has been given A. Magnetization by induction, B. Electric charges by induction, C. Electric charges by friction, D. Electric charges by conduction. So guys, the answer to this question is option C. Electric charges by friction. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. It's question number 3, and it says, if the charge on an object is measured as 4.0 times 10 to the power of negative 10 coulombs, how many excess electrons does the object possess, given that the charge on an electron is 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 19 coulombs? So guys, this is very simple. In order to measure the excess electrons here, we have that the excess electron will be the charge on the object, that's 4.0 times 10 to the power of negative 10, over the charge of an electron, which is 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 19. So guys, when you divide this out, you have 2.5 times 10 to the power of 1, and that's 25 here, option C. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 4 here. It says, which of the following instruments can be used to compare the magnitudes of charges in two given bodies? We have A. Ebonite rod, B. Electrophorus, C. Gold leaf electroscope, and D. Proof planes. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, gold leaf electroscope. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 5 here. It says, which of the following items can be used to compare the relative magnitude of electric charges on two bodies? We have A. Gold leaf electroscope, B. The electrophorus, C. Proof planes, D. Ebonite rod. So guys, this is the same question we just answered, and that's option A here, gold leaf electroscope. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 6 here. It says, when a person holds a negative charged metal rod and stands barefooted on the ground, how will the charges leak? A. Positive charges in the air neutralizes the negative charges the person is holding. B. Negative charges flow to the ground through the person's body. C. Negative charges will leak through the air. D. Positive charges flows from the ground through the person's body to neutralize the negative charges. So guys, the answer to this question is option B, and that's negative charges flows to the ground through the person's body. And that's it for this question. So guys, let's go ahead and consider the next question. So that's question number 7 here. It says, which of the following devices is used to compare the relative magnitudes of charges on two given bodies? So guys, we've answered this same question before, and that's gold leaf electroscope. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 8 here. It says, two different materials rubbed against each other acquire positive charges when separated. This is an example of charging by A. Induction, B. Friction, C. Convection, D. Conduction. So guys, the answer to this question is option B, and that's friction. So let's go ahead and consider the next and last question, guys. So that's question number 9 here, and it says, if an ebonite rod is rubbed with 4, A. The ebonite rod will be positively charged while the 4 will have no charge. B. There will be electron transfer only if the ebonite rod is earthed. C. The ebonite rod will be negatively charged while the 4 will be positively charged. And D. Both the ebonite rod and 4 will be negatively charged. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. The ebonite rod will be negatively charged while the 4 will be positively charged. And that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below, and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally, guys, you can join our YouTube channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. So thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.